Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain to you what a breadboard is and how it actually works. Before we start, I know many people have heard of breadboard, but have you ever wondered why this is called a breadboard? Like a long time ago, people actually built electrical circuits on wooden boards used for cutting bread. They would use nail and to attach components and wires, different components together. Over time, this evolved into what we now call a breadboard. Instead of using wood, we use this reusable plastic board. And one thing I like about this breadboard is that no soldering is required. It's just for temporary connection when you are designing the circuit, or it's used for prototyping. You just use a breadboard because if you are designing a circuit, you have to make some adjustments. So what is best for you to use is a breadboard, not a permanent solder board like this. So you just use a breadboard. So now, what's a breadboard? A breadboard, this allows us to build and test circuits temporarily. We can connect different components, test ideas, and change connection easily because this process is prototyping. Instead of permanently joining components with a soldering iron, like this board now, this is permanent connection. So we can just, with this breadboard, you can just plug them in and remove them anytime. That's the reason breadboard is widely and commonly used by engineers, students, physics students, engineering students, and circuit designers. Look at this breadboard. Look at it has three main parts. Please take a look at this. It has three main parts, which are the power rails. From here like this down. This is the power rails. We have the main working area in the center. From here, and we have the middle gap here. You can see each part has a specific purpose when building circuits. Now you can see the internal structure of a breadboard. Now look at this breadboard. From you can see negative, positive. On the other side, negative, positive. Now this negative line like this, it's a single connection that runs down like this, horizontally like this, same as this positive terminal. So any connection point or a node that is here is also connected here. So the potential that is here is same as the potential that is at this terminal. But now take a look at this middle gap now. They are like this vertical connection, vertical, 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 vertical. So you can see vertical, 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 vertical. So you can see, which means where each of these column here, each column here is connected together. So it's a single line of connection or a single node. So each connection has point A, B, C, D, E. Here, same as the second side. Is for we have the F, G, H, I, and J. So the reason for this middle gap is like if you want to connect something like IC, like integrated circuits like this IC, or a timer like this, you can see the terminal. So that's why this gap is here, because there's likelihood that you place it across like this, and if it is this timer, you place it across like this. Now I'll go ahead and turn this to the back, and I'll open this back now so that you can understand how the connection is better. Now take a look at the back. Now these are the power rails. You can see now, you can see we have this is the positive, this is the negative. You can see that is a single line connection. You can see here also for the negative terminal is a single line connection all the way down. Now this port here, you can see they are single connection, like like they are like a node in electric circuit node. You can see them. So that's how the breadboard, the internal structure is. Understanding this internal structure is key to building circuits correctly. Now these power rails, they are used to distribute power. Now you understand how a breadboard works and how its internal connections are arranged. Now the reason why I made this video is because The video I'll post in future, like subsequent video I'll be posting, if you do not understand this, you may not really understand how, or not understanding this will affect you understanding the video I'll post in future. That's why I just say let me explain what this breadboard is. Because I can see somebody, some people when they hear breadboard, the first thing that will come to their mind is bread. So it's not about bread though. So that's why I made this video. So just stay tuned to this channel because the essence of this video series is for people to understand how to build electric circuit and understand how to design and analyze electric circuits from scratch to advanced. So I'm going to take you from the beginners level to the real core circuit analysis and design. So in the next video, I'll teach you how to connect switch to a circuit. So thank you very much. If this video helps you understand how to use a breadboard or what a breadboard actually is, please like this video and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.